In the world of SEO, backlinks are like votes of confidence from other websites. They signal to search engines like Google that your content is valuable and trustworthy. However, not all backlinks are created equal. Toxic backlinks can harm your website's search engine rankings. A clean backlink profile boosts your website's authority and visibility. Toxic backlinks are often associated with spammy or low-quality websites. These practices violate Google's guidelines and can lead to penalties. Disavowing bad backlinks helps mitigate their negative impact. A clean backlink profile reflects positively on your website, indicating trustworthiness to Google. Identifying toxic backlinks is the first step towards cleaning up your backlink profile. Several SEO tools can help you analyze your backlink profile and pinpoint potentially harmful links. These tools typically provide metrics that indicate the quality and trustworthiness of referring domains. Ahrefs, SEMrush, and Moz are popular choices for backlink analysis. These tools offer comprehensive backlink audits, providing insights into the authority, relevance, and spam score of referring domains. Look for backlinks with low domain authority, irrelevant content, or a high spam score, as these are often red flags. When examining your backlink profile, pay attention to the anchor text used in the links. An over-optimized anchor text profile with an excessive number of exact match keywords can be a sign of unnatural link building. Focus on identifying links that appear manipulative or spammy, as these are the ones that can harm your website's rankings. Disavow tools play a crucial role in cleaning up your backlink profile by allowing you to tell Google which backlinks to ignore. These tools provide a way to communicate directly with Google and request the removal of the negative impact of toxic links. By disavowing backlinks, you are essentially saying, "These links are not a reflection of my website's quality, so please don't hold them against me." Google Search Console is a free tool that offers a disavow links tool. This tool enables you to upload a file containing a list of backlinks that you want Google to disregard. It's important to note that disavowing backlinks should be done cautiously and as a last resort. Before using the Disavow tool, make every effort to remove harmful backlinks manually. Reach out to the webmasters of the referring domains and politely request the removal of the links. If your efforts to remove the links manually are unsuccessful, then disavowing them through Google Search Console is the next step. Creating a disavow file is a straightforward process. You need to create a text file with a specific format that Google can understand. The file should contain a list of URLs that you want to disavow, one URL per line. You can choose to disavow entire domains or specific pages. To disavow a domain, use the following format: domain-example.com. This will tell Google to ignore all backlinks from the domain example.com. To disavow a specific page, simply enter the full URL of the page. For example, to disavow the page https://w.example.com/spammy-page, you would enter https://www.example.com/spammy-page in the disavow file. Use the hash symbol to add comments to your disavow file. Comments can be helpful for explaining why you are disavowing certain links. For instance, you could add a comment like #disavowing this link because it's from a spammy directory. Save your disavow file in UTF-8, encoding to ensure compatibility with Google Search Console. Section 5. Submitting your disavow file to Google Search Console. Once you have created your disavow file, the next step is to submit it to Google Search Console. Log into your Search Console account and select the property or website for which you want to disavow links. Navigate to the Disavow Links tool, which is located under the Links section. Click on the Disavow Links button and select the appropriate property from the drop-down menu. Upload your disavow file and click on the Submit button. Google will review your disavow file and take it into account when evaluating your backlink profile. It's important to note that it may take some time for Google to process your disavow file and reflect the changes in your backlink profile. Be patient and continue to monitor your backlink profile for any improvements. Regularly review your disavow file and make updates as needed. Section 6. The importance of regular backlink audits and monitoring. Maintaining a clean backlink profile is an ongoing process, not a one-time task. Regular backlink audits and monitoring are essential for identifying and addressing new toxic backlinks that may appear over time. Schedule regular backlink audits, perhaps quarterly or biannually, to stay on top of your backlink profile's health. Use SEO tools to monitor your backlink profile for any suspicious activity. Set up alerts to notify you of any sudden drops or spikes in your backlink count. Regular monitoring allows you to catch and address potential issues before they escalate and harm your website's rankings. Keep an eye on your website's search engine rankings and organic traffic. Any significant fluctuations in rankings or traffic could be a sign of backlink problems. By proactively monitoring your backlink profile, you can ensure that your website remains in good standing with Google and continues to rank well in search results. Section 7. Best practices for maintaining a healthy backlink profile. Maintaining a healthy backlink profile goes beyond simply disavowing toxic links. It involves adopting best practices that promote the acquisition of high-quality natural backlinks. Focus on creating valuable, shareable content that naturally attracts links from authoritative websites in your niche. Engage in ethical link building practices, such as guest blogging on reputable websites and participating in industry forums. Build relationships with other website owners and influencers in your industry. Networking can lead to valuable backlink opportunities. Avoid black hat SEO tactics, such as buying links or participating in link schemes. These practices can result in penalties from Google and damage your website's reputation. Remember that quality trumps quantity when it comes to backlinks. Focus on earning links from authoritative and relevant websites. Case study, backlink cleanup success. A health and wellness website faced a decline in organic traffic and rankings. A backlink audit revealed many toxic backlinks. Immediate action was taken to clean up the backlink profile. They requested link removals and created a disavow file. Submitting the disavow file led to steady ranking and traffic improvements. This highlights the importance of addressing toxic backlinks promptly. Section 9. Addressing common concerns and misconceptions. There are a few common concerns and misconceptions surrounding backlink disavowal. Some website owners worry that disavowing too many links will harm their rankings. However, it's important to remember that Google's algorithms are designed to distinguish between natural and unnatural links. Disavowing toxic links is a way of helping Google focus on the good links pointing to your website. Another misconception is that disavowing links is a quick fix for all ranking problems. While backlink cleanup is essential, it's crucial to address other SEO factors that may be affecting your website's performance. It's also important to note that disavowing backlinks is not an instant solution. It may take some time for Google to process your disavow file and reflect the changes in your backlink profile. Patience and consistent monitoring are key to seeing positive results from your backlink cleanup efforts. Section 10. Conclusion. A proactive approach to backlink management. In conclusion, a proactive approach to backlink management is crucial for maintaining a healthy online presence and achieving sustainable SEO success. Regular backlink audits, prompt identification and disavowal of toxic links, and a commitment to ethical link building practices are essential for safeguarding your website's rankings and reputation. By understanding the importance of a clean backlink profile and implementing the steps outlined in this guide, you can mitigate the risks associated with toxic backlinks and create a solid foundation for your website's long-term growth and visibility in search results. Remember that backlink management is an ongoing process, not a one-time task. Stay informed about best practices, adapt to algorithm updates, and prioritize the acquisition of high-quality backlinks to ensure your website's continued success in the ever-evolving landscape of SEO. Section 11. Additional resources for backlink analysis and cleanup. For further information and assistance with backlink analysis and cleanup, consider exploring the following resources: Google Search Console, Help Center, https://support.google.com/webmasters/rfsblog, https://rfs.com/blog/semrushblog, https://www.semrush.com/blog/mozblog, https://moz.com/blog. These resources provide valuable insights, tutorials, and tools to help you master the art of backlink management and achieve your SEO goals.